Hundreds of homeless residents downtown in the meantime forced from shelter facilities during the flooding. Now many of them are without a roof over their heads once again. Our Sarah Allegre joins us live from the East Village with all the details on this. Sarah.
Well, Kathleen, just a little over 24 hours ago, people who relied on this shelter here at 16th Street and Newton Avenue with the Alpha Project found themselves waist deep in contaminated water. Minutes later, they were forced out of this location, displaced and sent to another place. Now all they have left to do is just wait.
It hurts your heart, but you know you got God, so you're going to be all right.
Holding back tears and tied to faith, Deborah Faulkner and J.J. Fisher are just one of 300 forced out of their shelter downtown Monday.
And water was coming up, and we had to walk through a lot of junk to get over here.
They lived at this tent site with the Alpha Project on Newton Avenue and 16th Street. Their temporary home is in ruins, and buried beneath it all are missing essentials.
Losing your ID, your Social Security card, we got to go through all that again. I don't know how we're going to do that.
Since then, they and over 100 others have been displaced to this temporary spot at Balboa Park. But Jose Luis, who we met when exploring what's left over of the wrecked shelter, is not going. He says he can't afford a ride to get him to the Balboa Park location because he needs the cash to get to work. Just across the way is the sound of cleanup along the health center at Father Joe's Villages. Fans are on high, drying out the impacts of torrential rain.
Baseboards have been taken up. We want to make sure that no mold is forming behind this.
Deacon Jim Vargas gave us a tour of the mess. Monday's downpour was yet another devastating blow to this newly renovated building after it was destroyed just last year by severe weather.
We had new digs in a sense, right? And now to have this happen in less than a year.
Over 100 were also displaced at the city of San Diego's first designated safe sleeping site Monday on 20th and B, fueling talk of a long-term fix.
Next year, we'll be able to add another 1,000 or so beds to our inventory, net, not gross, net.
And we're continuing to see the impacts play out here locally. Many shelters displace a lot of people now looking for a place to stay. So we talked with the Alpha Project. They say there are many ways the community can step in and help. They need socks. They need all other kinds of clothing items, undergarments, winter jackets during this time. All of the people inside here lost many possessions as well as very important documents. So anything you can do to help. There is a drop-off location on 550 14th Street here in the downtown area. And we, of course, on our website have places that you can go to just help the people here in need. That's fox5sandiego.com. For now, that's the very latest here from downtown. Sarah Allegre, Fox 5 News.
I have no doubt many San Diegans who are so generous will answer the call. Thank you.